Hey everyone, it's Job. I hope you're doing well. Today we are opening some Happy Mail that I received in January, and we are going to turn it into some journal spreads. First up, we have this amazing postcard from my friend Joy. She is Oh Hi Joy. You all know her. Go check her stream out. I'll link her down below. But I've been loving Joy's content, and I think this postcard is so cute. It is a very cute illustration of Joy's fam, and yeah, I love it so much. This is such a cool Christmas card, and I will definitely put it up in my collection of amazing postcards and Christmas cards that I received last year. The next piece of mail is from Kate. She is Red Harp Arts on Instagram. She has sent me some mail before, and Kate is always so sweet. I absolutely love this postcard that she sent. It looks like some street art that looks like a cat is like in jail, but it's just an optical illusion. I absolutely love everything that Kate sent over, and her lovely card is so sweet. I absolutely love the thoughtfulness that was poured into this card and this little Happy Mail package. Of course, the stickers she sent over are very, very Job. I love that bunny with the coffee, and then the Baymax sticker is awesome. There's also a yellow elastic in there, and I believe I actually mentioned that I've been searching for a yellow elastic in like a previous video, probably during December daily, because I want to switch out my elastics on my traveler's notebook. So that was super awesome of Kate to send those over. And obviously she sent these cool like Nike stickers. I believe those are like, I don't know if those are Air Force Ones or Dunk Lows or like Jordan 1 lows. I don't know, but they're very cool. And then I absolutely love the panda sticker. I don't know, everything she sent over is very me. So thank you so much, Kate, for sending this lovely mail over. The last bit of mail we're opening today is from Ayse, and she sent this wonderful envelope slash mail over. It's decorated so beautifully. I honestly didn't know which way to open it because I didn't want to break anything. So I actually opened it from the edge because I didn't want to cut open this beautiful envelope. It's so nice. I love this like vintage map aesthetic, and I absolutely love the letter that Ayse included. It's decorated in that same map motif, and there's all these beautiful stamped elements on craft paper. Oh, chef's kiss. I love the little bear, and then Ayse also stamped my name in like this teal color, which it matches the envelope of goodies that she sent over. She sent all these beautiful vintage stamps and letterpress note cards. Everything is so beautifully curated. Thank you so much, Ayse, for sending this. It's so nice. I can't stress this enough. Again, everyone who sent things over, I'm extremely thankful, and I'm so honored that you even thought about sending me anything. It really means a lot to me. I also love the washi tapes she included. I've never owned any fruit related washi tapes, and there's this one kind of florally fruit one that she sent over of a sample, and I love it. But yeah, let's get journaling. So we are kind of doing this very casual journaling style. We're going to be jumping around in multiple notebooks, and that's how I've been journaling lately. That's why I've been kind of having a hard time with videos and stuff, because usually I start a journal spread from start to finish on camera, but lately I've been like jumping around, and this is kind of like how I would normally journal off camera. I have like multiple notebooks open because I don't know, when you start journaling, I don't know if it's just me, but usually I'll find an element that I like, and then I won't use all of it. Like I'll tear a piece off, and usually I'll want to like reuse that same piece of washi tape or something and place it in another journal or like another like memory keeping notebook. So that's how I've been journaling. I have my Hobonichi cousin A5, and I'm loving it. But as you can see, I started off in my traveler's notebook. I actually used Kate's card. I just put that whole card in there just because I wanted that little piece of artwork on there because I know that she created it. And on the right hand side of the spread, I made this little minimal collage. I've been really into these note cards that are letterpress. I think these are from Klasky, if I'm mistaken. And then I also placed my own eucalyptus doodle sticker that I had on the shop. I know that the shop is still closed, but I'll open that soon. And sorry, excuse the hair clip in my hair. This is when I still had long hair. You can tell I've been hoarding all these video clips for so long, but yeah, I kept it really minimal. This was during kind of that weird funk that I had, and I was just feeling a little bit off, hence the minimal aesthetic. But now that I think about it, I am liking the more minimalist look. And now you can see that I actually cut up Ayse's envelope just because I loved it so much. This is probably going to be the main journaling element. So I took a strip of washi. This is actually the classic-y. I don't even know if you classify this as a washi tape, but it's kind of like a grid tape that's backed onto like a backing. So it's kind of like a sticker in a roll. I don't really know how to describe it. But yeah, that was kind of like what I added on the edge just to fill up the rest of the journaling area. And then I just covered up my PO box address and Ayse's address. So it's a little bit more confidential. I actually ended up leaving my address open because it's my PO box anyways, but I didn't want to cover that up because the beautiful lettering and writing is on there, so I just left it there. And this is pretty much it. I can't take any credit for this journal spread because it is all of Ayse's beautiful work. I also while journaling also tried to move a lot of the ephemera that people sent over into my different storage, I guess like my different stationary storage thingies, bins. I was gonna say bins, binders. I don't know if that's a binder. I should probably do a video on that because I have tons of these like different storage items that I use for different types of stationery. But I just added some simple stamping on this spread with my date stamp, and then I used some of the packaging that she used. I think there was this one sticker that was kind of transparent and it had a flower on it. I just added that because I wanted to keep it nice and simple. I also had Ayse's letter that I wanted to use, but I didn't know how to meaningfully incorporate it, so I moved on to the next spread. So I think we had like 3 spreads in total. Also, you might be wondering, where is Joy's postcard? I actually ended up not putting it in a journal spread because I didn't want to cut it up and like change that postcard in any way because it's just so beautiful. So it's living in a beautiful postcard storage bin that I have, but I really regret not taking a photo of it so I can incorporate it in this spread because I did want to incorporate Joy's mail in some way here, but I didn't think it through all the way. But the spread was pretty straightforward. I just added the little letter on the left hand side of the spread and just added another minimal like collage with like a note letterpress card thing, and did my journaling there. And I actually want to say there's been a lot of fun like journaling stuff within the journaling community that I wanted to like talk about. First of all, go check out Joy's stream because it's always so fun. It was my first time joining her stream live. I finally caught it at the right time, and it's so fun. The chat is so fun and chaotic, and everyone is so supportive. There's also April's stream and also Havoc Rose's stream that I want to catch next time. And then there's also been a lot of like live journaling sessions. My friend Florence actually hosts one. I'll leave all like the Instagrams down below, but I think there's like a pretty regular one that happens every Friday that Florence hosts, and I end up going all the time just because I've become very fond of that crew there, and we just all chat and talk about stationery and we all just journal. So it's really fun. If you want to like make new friends within the journaling community, I highly recommend it. It's super safe, like in terms of like a safe space to chat and talk, and everyone's extremely good at enabling others. So yeah, highly recommend that. These are also the completed spreads. I hope you enjoyed watching me put them together. And now I need to catch my breath because there's also a freebie that I created. I didn't really talk about it on the channel much, but I released a Year of the Ox freebie for Lunar New Year. I actually painted this like a few weeks ago, and I thought I would share the love and make this a little free printable for people who celebrated and have celebrated Lunar New Year. So yep, happy Lunar New Year. I think that's it. There will be more mail-in makes because I actually received another amazing package from Gladys, so that'll be coming soon. Again, check me out on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe. I usually post on Instagram a lot more, so if you want up-to-date stuff, go check my page out. Okay, see you everyone. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.